Have you ever coached someone who knew exactly what they should do, but they still couldn't pull it off? They understood the problem. They had identified the limiting belief with you. They even had a strong action plan to move forward. And yet when it came time to really act upon what they knew, something deeper seemed to take over. And they found themselves repeating the very pattern, the very habit that they were trying to break or change. That may be because knowing better, which resides primarily in the left brain, doesn't automatically change the deeper embedded right brain learning that actually shapes how we respond in the moments that matter most. In my upcoming whole brain workshop, you'll learn a 5-phase left-right left brain process that transcends traditional coaching competencies with these right brain skills: relational attunement, transformative relational experiences, metaprocessing, and mindsight. You'll discover how to help your clients move beyond simply having insight and understanding what needs to change so that a whole new, better way of responding begins to feel possible, believable, and sustainable in real life. Join us Monday, July 27th from 7:30 to 9, and you can register through the link below. Hope to see you then.